y'all, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click your subscribe button and turn on your bells. Y'all, oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so let's get into this. We have a Faux Locs wig, and this is from Neatandsleek hair company. If you go back to some videos I had way a while ago, I actually did like a braided wig from them, and it was so bomb. It was so raw, and I've never had faux locks before. I always wanted them, so I was glad that I could get this look without having to sit for the hours that it takes to get it, you know, installed. But today, Neatandsleek provided me with a waist length Faux Locs wig, and they constructed this wig using a 13x6, so it parts back 6 inches deep. You know, it's kind of 6 inches wide, and then it has like little regular lace front length on the sides. And I'm going to show you guys how I, easily installed this wig. Like, it really took me no time to install this wig, which explains why this video is short. But I'm going to show you guys anyways how I, installed it. And this is a medium size cap. It was a little too big for me around the ears, but I kind of, finessed it to, make it do what it do. I did not want to cut off a whole dreadlock on the sides. But I'd rather your wig be too big and you can finesse it than your wig being too small and now you really like, stressed out. But this is a medium size cap, as I mentioned. So I went ahead and I unbraided that little braid in the front that was for the baby hair, simply because I need to see everything. Like, I like to push everything back when I'm installing my wig so I can really see what's going on, and that braid would kind of threw me off. But nevertheless, y'all, we are here with a new size lace melt adhesive max. Okay, now I decided to go ahead and start selling the tube glues. These are like the little miniature on the go, you know what I'm saying, slap it in your purse if you need to do your quick little fix on the road out while you going. Or if you're not somebody who wear wigs like all the time, and you just want, just a little glue to have to install your wigs, this is the perfect size for you, okay? And also, this is very beginner friendly because you get to control how much glue comes out by squeezing the tube. So if you notice, guys, as I'm applying my layers, I squeeze the glue out first, and then I'm going to stop squeezing and just use the top of that nozzle and just spread that glue flat and evenly. And I always tell you guys to get your glue to dry clear and quickly and, fast as possible. Make sure you are spreading those layers out completely flat and even, and that way when it's time to dry clear, it will dry clear in no time. And also, some news I want to share with you guys. Oh my god, y'all, we went viral on TikTok on yesterday. I posted a waterproof video, which I will attach at the end of this video here. So yes, guys, the glue is waterproof. If you don't know, now you know. For those who already know, y'all know what time it is. And it's so crazy because I beg you guys for reviews all the time, and I had to go viral on social media, on TikTok and Instagram, for you guys to finally leave me some reviews. Not the ones who've been leaving reviews, but the ones I be begging for reviews from. Is like, once I go viral, now y'all want to tell me, like you went swimming and it does work and everything like that. So I mean, late is better than never. So I do appreciate you guys for showing love, who do, give me the feedback and everything. And those who haven't done so already, please make sure y'all send y'all girls some reviews. People like to see reviews. They want to know people really buying it. They want to know it really works. And we know this glue is the bomb. So come on, y'all. Y'all help your girl out, okay? But yes, as I was mentioning, this is the new size, and it is $15. I readjusted the prices, and I also have the mega bottles coming back, y'all. Like, I am like so happy right now. I got the miniature glues, and because I created a smaller size, I did adjust the prices on the adhesives. So it's the miniature, the small, the medium, and then we have our megas coming back for the next restock. And I just want to thank you guys continuously for supporting. We is doing our thing right now on the Beautiful Hustler brand. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, okay? And like I mentioned, I did a waterproof video and it went viral on TikTok, and I restocked. I'm so sorry if you missed it. I wasn't even planning on restocking, but once that video went viral and everybody was going crazy for the glue, I literally uploaded 225 glues on my website, y'all, and we sold all 225 glues in less than 24 hours. Do y'all see how God works? Okay, thanks to God, thanks to y'all, the support, the promo, everything. Like, I am so just like shocked. Over 250 plus orders, because I did, you know, put some melt belts and lace release on there, and we are doing our thing. Okay, I'm just overwhelmed with joy, and I got a lot of shipping to do. So if I'm not answering my phone, y'all, and everything like that quickly like I normally do, just give me some time. I'm trying to get, you know, life together, everything situated. But nevertheless, right now I went ahead, you know, I added the glue, I blow dried the lace in, I tied it down with the melt belt. Now I'm just going in with the razor, and I also went in with the scissors just to get the little pieces I couldn't really see. Because y'all know I'll be recording this video on my phone. I need to go to Walmart. I keep saying this every day, but I'm gonna go get a mirror so I can really get into it like I want to when I record them for y'all and really get up close and personal. But right now, after I cut that lace off, I'm just plaiting my baby hairs out the way, because what I'm gonna do is go back in with that foundation and put it on top of the hairline. Y'all already know I placed that foundation underneath the wig already. And I also forgot to mention, this wig did already come with the knots like bleach to the teeth. So all you have to do is put your foundation and install. It's like that raw. Absolutely love this wig. Created with, like, you can tell they took their time when they made this wig. Like, I love Neatandsleek braided wigs. I love their Faux Locs wigs now, and they have so many more wigs that you guys can make sure you check out. And, you know, of course, the description and all the details about this wig will be listed down below. So make sure you check that out. Use the coupon codes so y'all can slay y'all Faux Locs wig like me. Okay, so anywho, now that we got that melt belt melted after 10 minutes after putting that holding spray, I tried to, like I do always, attempted to do my baby hairs on camera, but after a while of struggling and, you know, could barely see, I had to just finish it up in the bathroom. But like I told y'all, once I get that mirror, y'all will be able to see everything up close and personal. And today on my wrist, I am wearing this little band where you apply, like, you put your products on it. All my real beautiful hustler beauties, y'all know that I always put that got to be glue, whatever I gotta use, I put it on the back of my hand, honey. And the back of my hand be so crusty by the end of the day from all the gel and everything like that. So this little wristband right here definitely does come in handy. I'm thinking about adding it to my side. What y'all think? Should I add it to the side or not? Because it definitely comes in handy, and you know I'm going to get my custom colored to be so pretty. But yes, this little watch thingy here, I don't even know what to call it, but it definitely comes in handy. And I did put that got to be gel on there, and I'm trying to swoop my baby hairs, but as y'all can see, it wasn't happening. So I went in the bathroom and just did, you know, a little something in a mirror real quick. And now I'm going to attempt to, like, style these Faux Loc wigs. These Faux Loc wigs, these Faux Locs. I'm gonna attempt to style it. And you know, also in this bag they gave me like the little charms. But do y'all see how raw that wig look? Look at them parts. It's definitely giving scalp. It's definitely giving scalp realness for real, for real. But I'm taking the twist, and I'm just trying to kind of like twist it into a style. I really didn't know what style to do, honestly. They are kind of heavy, and I'm just not used to having like my hair braided and stuff like that, so it is kind of heavy to me. But if you are a person who are used to braids or twists or whatever, it probably is nothing to you. But like I mentioned, this is my first time doing this look, and you know, it takes some time for them to like soften up and get more like kinkier looking. But they did give me some gold charms in my packaging, so I'm just going to take advantage of those gold charms and try to create a little look, child. Trying to give off a little, you know, goddessy. I wanted to show my my Jamaican roots with this look, so I was trying to give the girls, you know, Jamaican, trying to give the girls goddess with the locks, you know, try to be on my little Rastafari and goddess look. So let me know what y'all think down below in the comments about this finishing look. So what I'm gonna do is just keep adding little charms, and then, you know, just keep playing with the style until I really get the final look. And then, you know, I'm just throwing some lashes and show y'all, you know, show y'all the finishing look. I was planning on doing my makeup, but around this time, it was already 12 o'clock at night, and I'm like, I'm not gonna sit here and do a full face to wipe it off in a few minutes just to go to sleep. So Hopefully y'all still enjoy the overall look. I love this wig overall. I ain't even take it out and people already like, when you take it out, can I have it? I'm like, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to keep this little this Faux Locs wig for real, because it's a perfect throw on. And you know, once you actually install the wig and you take it out, reinstalling it would take like no time. Literally, it would take no time. So this wig is definitely a keeper. You will definitely get your money's worth. Like I mentioned, this company always come through with the braided wigs, the plaited wigs. It's always top quality. Never have an issue with them. So I highly recommend this company. If you don't want to sit down for hours, achieve this look in just a few minutes. I tell y'all, no lie. But I'm just gonna keep playing with this hair until I get a desired look. Just moving the locks around, because like I mentioned, it's a 13 by 6, so it's not like a full parting space wig where I could really be very, very versatile with it. So I try to just do something cute and make do with how the wig was. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little tutorial. It was very simple, very easy. I know, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, throw my little lashes on and let y'all see what I came up with as far as the finishing look. And what I'm also doing here is just adding little bobby pins or whatever to just hold my little style into place. And I just step back so you guys can see. But here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you guys for watching.